Yo, what's up guys? I'm the Lobby and today I'm gonna show you what are, in my opinion, the best settings for OBS for streaming. I've been streaming on Twitch with the settings for over 2.5 years and they have been serving me very well. So today I'm gonna share that with you guys. So let's dive into the video. Let's go. So guys, once we are in our OBS, what we're gonna do is head over to the settings and head over to the output tab. And once you're here, what you're gonna do, guys, is make sure to use a 6000 bitrate, and then just copy my settings over here. So 2 seconds on the keyframe, P7's lowest on the preset, highest quality on the tuning, and multipass mode 2 passes, profile high. Then make sure to check these 2 boxes, and then max speed frames, select 2. Then move over to the audio tab, make sure to put 320 on all the audios. And yeah, then the last thing you're gonna want to do is go on the video and make sure you're using 1920, 1080, and then 60 fps. And that's pretty much it on all my settings on OBS. So guys, that was a super quick video. Hopefully you are gonna enjoy these settings. Hopefully these settings are gonna be helpful for you with your stream. And with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy, fam. Peace, and I'm out.